Hello students, this video is related to the class 7 English literature, and today I will explain you the chapter Punchline chapter 6. Yesterday I told you about the short summary of this chapter. May you understand well and learn the glossary of portion of this chapter. You may understand well what's the need of the laxity. I hope you all just sit with your grandparents and the parents and discuss about the topic. What's the need of the laxity in our life? Now I just wanna told you about the chapter. The elder of Mahto Toli bought a Petromax at the Ram Navami fair from the fines and penalties collected over the past 15 months. The elders of Mahto Toli, when we are talking about a blaze, there are the lot of different communities, and all communities if somewhere are going in a group, that group is known as a Toli. The group here is known as a Toli, and that was the group of the Mahto. That's why it is known as a Mahto Toli. And the most intelligent person of that community or the Toli have the name of that one. That's why it is the Mahto Toli. The elders of Mahto Toli bought a Petromax at the Ram Navami fair. There was one Ram Navami fair, and from where the Mahto Toli bought a Petromax. That's a Petromax is the same thing, is known as a Punchline hit. So they purchased one Petromax from the fair. And how they purchase it? After collecting penalties over the last 15 months, on the basis of that, whatever the amount they have, they purchased the Petromax by that. There are 8 panchayats in the blaze, one of each communities. Overall, about the blaze, whatever the blaze where they all lived, and what they are talking about the blaze, on that blaze there are total 8 panchayats, one for each community. All the panchayats have their own daris, mats, and and a Petromax, which the blazers called Punchlight. May you understand well now why it's known as a Punchlight. All the panchayats have their own daris. They all have their daris, mats, and Petromax. After buying the Punchlight, the panchayat member decided to buy offering for puja with the 10 rupees that were left over, for it would not be appropriate to use a technical object with nuts and bolts without first having it suitably blessed. After buying Punchlight, when they had purchased Punchlight, after they had decided to purchase some offering for puja, because they all were just thinking, if they will not do puja of that such particular new thing, then it can be create a technical problem, or technical issues can comes in the nut and bolts of that particular product. All the panchayat members returned home from the fair well before sunset. They all just came back. The Audrey in front carrying the box with the Punchlight on his head, and the person is known as a Audrey, just carrying the Punchlight on his head, followed by the chief secretary and the others member, who was following the chief secretary and the others members of that community. By the time they reached their Toli, the world had spread. Everyone dropped whatever they were doing and rushed out. Come on, hurry, our Punchlight has come. By the time they reached their Toli, when they reached over the blaze, then one word just spread all over the place. That was the blaze. These all just words was like this. Were like this. Come on, hurry! Our Punchlight has come. They all just saying, the blazers all just saying the words for to show their happiness. The Audrey Agnu Mato. What's the name of the Audrey? That is the Agnu Mato kept issuing stern warning. Watch out, don't come too close, don't touch it, see, you don't damage it. The Audrey Agnu Mato, who was carrying the punch light, just give the warning to all the people like this. Watch out, don't come too close, and don't touch it. See, if you will come near about it, it can be damaged, like this. The chief of the panchayat told his wife, there will be a puja in the evening. Hurry up and cook my dear dinner, and you too get ready. Chief just informed to his wife, like, in the evening there is one puja, and so she should hurry up for cooking the dinner, and she also should ready for the evening. The head of the neighborhood troops of singer told his musicians. The head of the neighborhood troops of singer told his musician. Troops is known as a mandali, or the groups of the singers. The head of the neighborhood, Pados neighborhood, that's some person who lives near about the place. Then the musician troops just told the head of the musicians troop of the singers told to their musicians like this: look here, tonight we shall be performing in the light of the punch light, so all you out of tone types better watch out. One false note and you are out. Simply what's they wanna say, they wanna say like he wanna say like this: if he will if all in all the in if in the in if in any member of that toli will sing in a wrong tone, definitely the person can be caught out. Gurli Kaki, one of the leading lights of the women's show, began to hum. Gurli Kaki is a one another leading lights of the women's show began to hum. Just start there. To hum means singing. Just start to hum. People had already gathered at the chief door. They all just collect in the front of chief door. The chant went on. The chant just is a mantra, or the one types of similar tone, that is known as a chant. Punch light, like this. There was no other topic for either conversation of gossip except the punch light. All just conversation, the same words, same topic, like punch light. They even not have any other topic on the particular time. The chief smoked his hookah and said, the shopkeeper asked for 5 kauris and 5 rupees. I said, don't take me for an ignorant rustic. I have seen lots of punch light. The chief smoked his hookah, and while the smoking, he just told to the people about the theory or the term, or the experience, what he suffered at the time of purchasing punch light. Like the shopkeeper asked for 5 kauris. Shopkeeper may asked him about the 5 kauris and 5 rupees. And then he said, let not to him think like a ignorant rustic. He has been he had seen lot of punch lights. At first, the shopkeeper could only gap at me. He thought, he said, firstly the shopkeeper just only start to be seeing to the shopkeeper, then to the chief, and then he said, all right, since the chief himself has come to my shop to buy a punch light, I will charge only 5 kauris for it. He said, the shopkeeper just give him discount as the chief member on self reached over there to purchase the punchlight. The secretary of the panchayat added, after finished the dialogue of the chief, now secretary just started to said like this: that shopkeeper could read face. That shopkeeper could read faces. The shop servant did not want to give us a box of a punchlight. The shopkeeper did not want to give them a box of the punchlight. But the secretary said, what he said: Mr. Shopkeeper, how can we carry the punchlight without the box? The shopkeeper scolded his servant and said give him the box. And finally, the shopkeeper, after saying such words, after hearing such words, the shopkeeper scolded the servant and told him to give the box to the secretary. The people from the Toli looked at the chief with new respect. Now the people of the Toli just see the chief with a new respect after hearing such words, because these all words was really impressive or put impressed on the people of the blaze. 3 bottles of kerosene had been fetched from Rudal Shah's shop, but now the question was, who would light the punchlight? No one had thought of it so far. The offering for the puja were ready. The singers were waiting with their drums, cymbals and bells, while the punchlight stood in the middle of it all. The blazers had never bought anything like this before. 3 bottles of kerosene had been fetched, they just purchased from the shop of Rudal Shah's, and after that they all just think about it, who would light the punchlight, because no one of that group thought before of it, and don't know how to light the punchlight. All just be ready. All the things of puja was ready. Puja samagri was ready. Singers were ready, and with their all equipments and all. And punchlight just stood in the middle of all of them. And the blazers had never the blazers never saw like this anything before of the time. It was not that no one in the entire blaze knew how to light a punchlight. The issue here was, after all the preparation, the ritual offering and puja, will someone from another Toli have to be brought in to help light or punchlight? Means only in that particular in the particular community or the Toli, the members not know or didn't know how to light the punchlight. Even others member of the blaze or the Tolis known about it, but they all just be ready for the puja and the other preparations. So they all just thinking, now what can be happen, now what they can do for that. If they will call for the others members, then definitely it's can be the condition of the mockery or the taunt, or they can hear the taunt in the future. As they are writing like this: wouldn't it be better to let it lie around? Who can bear the insult and mockery for the rest of one's life? People from the other blaze will taunt us at the slightest pretext. Means choti baatein, smallest things, they have to be they all will have taunt to the peoples of the Toli. That's why they all not want to call the others people of the other Toli, from the other Tolis. Sadness descended on the crowd. all where there was the sadness. The evening darkened, no one had it lit, even an oil lamp in his house. Who would want a flickering oil lamp now that the punchlight had been bought? Why they are not lit even an oil lamp? Because they all just thinking, if we have a punchlight, then why we have a need to lit an oil lamp? That's why they all just sitting around it. Thank you.